So this set says the stacked bar chart given below shows the median, mode, and mean of four different series with only positive integers. So it's a stacked bar graph. So for example, here for series A, the median is 6. So median plus mode is 12. That means mode is 12 minus 6, that is 6. And median plus mode plus mean is equal to 19. So 19 minus 6 will give you 7 as the mean of this data. So basically we just have to look at this portion to get the median, mode and mean respectively for each of them. Moreover, he says the mean, median and mode for all the four series is a multiple of 0.5. The series B was the only series with at least one two-digit number. No other series had any two-digit number. All the series were unimodal, that is had only one mode. No number for any of these series was the same as the mean of that series. No number for any of these series was the same as the mean of that series. So no number should be equal to the mean. Let's move on now. Here is the first question. If series D had four numbers, what is the lowest number of four numbers? Lowest number of four numbers. I have written these mean, median and mode in the form of a table, and just keep that in mind. B is the only series which can have at least one two-digit number. No others are having it. And of course in B at least one must be there. When mean is 10, median is 10, that of course means that at least one double-digit number has to be there. Okay. Rather mode is 11. So rather I can say that at least two would be there. Okay. Now, when I'm talking about series D here, series D has four numbers. What is the lowest number of four numbers? Series D has a mode of 8, the mean of 7. If there are four numbers and the mean is 7, that means the sum of all the numbers is 28. 4 into 7, that is equal to 28, right? I have a median of 8. Median of 8 means the average of these two numbers should be equal to 8. The average of these two numbers should be equal to 8, and the mode is also equal to 8. That means 8 is appearing the maximum number of times. 8 is appearing the maximum possible number of times. So if their average is equal to 8, can't I take them as 8 and 8 only? That will make it 8 plus 8, which is equal to 16, right? After 16, there is one number over here which I can take as 9. 16 plus 9 is 25. And I can take this number as 3. The total would become 28 in this scenario. 3889. Now, of course, I could have taken these three numbers as 8, 8, and 8 as well. So 8, 8, and 8 will make the total as 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is 24. With that 24, I had to write 4 over here. That would have become 28. Even that was a possibility. And I cannot increase it further from 9. Why can't I increase it further from 9? Because the question has already told us that apart from B, no other series can have the a double digit number. Apart from B, no other can have a double digit number. So by that logic, I can say these are the two possibilities. So for question number 6, my answer would be cannot be determined because I am getting both the possibilities as 3 or 4. So the answer is option D. Now it says what is the minimum possible number of integers in series C? So this is series C. Minimum possible number of integers. So of course I'll start with the minimum possible number of integers here. He says mean is 6. Median is 6.5. See, in case of odd number of terms, the median is the middle term. In case of odd number of terms, the median is the middle term. But these are all integers. If all integers are there, how can the middle term be 6.5? So therefore, it must be an even number of integers. Because in case of even number of integers, the median is the average of the middle two numbers. Then only I can have 6.5. Okay. So to have the minimum possible number of numbers, and I cannot have odd number of numbers. So either the number should be 2. If there are two numbers, of course, both should be 8 because the mode is 8. But if both of them are 8, how can mean be 8, median be 6.5? Not possible. So I'm starting with 4 numbers. Let us say there are 4 numbers. So if there are 4 numbers and their mean is 6, that means their total is equal to 24. He says mode is 8, so that means mode must appear at least twice. And I would say thrice it cannot appear, because if 3 times 8 would appear, then 3 8s will make 24. How can I have the fourth number? So 8 must be appearing only twice. These two must be 8s. Because if these two are 8s, of course, then the median would not be 6.5. Now with 8, what can I take to have a median of 6.5? 8 plus something divided by 2 should be 6.5. So 8 plus 5, that is 13. 13 divided by 2 can be 6.5. So 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 3, that is 24. So if I make a series 3, 5, 8, 8, I started with the smallest number of terms, which is 4. I told you 2 is not possible. So with 3, 5, 8, 8, I am able to make the mean as 24. I'm able to make the median as 6.5. I'm able to make the mode as 8. So all of them are satisfied. So the minimum possible number of integers in C is 4. That is the right answer for question number 7. Here comes question number 8. Series A cannot have which of the following number of integers? Let's try that. Let's try with the options. Can series A have 3 numbers? Let's try. 3 numbers are there. Then the mean is 7. That means the sum of 3 numbers is 21. Median is 6. That means the middle number is equal to 6. And mode is also 6. If mode is also 6, that means I should have mode at least twice. What if I take 6, 6 and 9? 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. Yes, my mode is 6. Yes, my median is 6. Yes, my mean is 7. So 3 is a possibility as the number of integers in series A. So 3 cannot be my answer. Let's try with 4 numbers now. If 4 numbers are there, mean is 7. That means the total of all these numbers should be equal to 28. The median is 6. Median is 6 means these two numbers, they add up to 12 because their sum divided by 2 should be equal to 6. And mode is 6. That means at least twice I should be having 6. If at least twice I am having 6, that means one of these two numbers which add up to 12, one of these two numbers must be 6. And even if one of them is 6, the other one will also be 6. So let us say this number is 6. So this would also be 6. I have 6 plus 6 as 12. What else is remaining? I need 16 more now. How can I make 16 more? This number should be 6 or less. This number should be 6 or more. If I take this as 6, I will have to take 10 over here. If I take 5 here, I will have to take 11 over here. If I take 4 here, I'll have to take 12 over there. So in any case, I will have to take a number which is a double digit number. But he had clearly told us apart from series B, no other series can have a double digit number. So therefore, with 4 numbers, it is not being possible to have a series with a mean of 7, median of 6 and mode of 6. So my answer for this question is option B, which is equal to 4. Here comes question number 9. Series A could have an integer repeating for a maximum of 3 times in the series. What is the maximum number of integers that could be present in series A? So series A could have an integer repeating for a maximum of 3 times in the series. What is the maximum number of integers that could be present in series A? So once again, he's talking about series A. So what can be the maximum numbers that I can have in this series? Okay. The point is that 6 is the mode. And if a number can repeat for a maximum of 3 times, let's take 6 thrice. So I will take 6, 6 and 6 3 times. Okay. Now no other number can appear for 3 times because 6 is it's a unimodal, right? He has clearly told us every series has a single mode. Single mode means if a value appears 3 times, no other value can appear 3 times. I want maximum number of integers present in the series. So apart from 666, let us say I write 7, 7, 8, 8 and 9. And but I cannot write 7, 7. I'm sorry. Question clearly told us that no number is equal to the mean, right? We were told that no number is equal to the mean. So I can have after 666 and 8 and 8, a 9 and a 9. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers are there. They all add up to 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 16, which is 34. 34 plus 18, which is equal to 52. So till now, these 7 numbers add up to 52. I also have to make the median 6, right? I also have to make the median 6. If I want to make the median 6, I need 2 more terms before this. I need 2 more terms before this. And that will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 terms. 9 terms with a mean of 7. the total can be 63. We already have a sum of 52. That means we need a sum of 11 more. Can we have a sum of 11 more? Yes, I can take 5 and 6. But oh no, there is a problem. What is the problem? The problem is a number cannot be repeated more than 3 times, whereas our number is being repeated more than that. So therefore, this cannot be done, right? This cannot be done. Let us remove it. If I remove it, what is the other possibility? The other possibility is that let's have one more number before this, because if there are 8 numbers, still the average of the middle two numbers, no. The average of the middle two numbers in this case will become 7. The middle two numbers will become these two and their average will be 7. So I cannot have 8 numbers like that. What else can we do? Can we do something like that? I remove this number, right? And I can have, let's say, 2 more numbers. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. The middle two are these. The median will become 7. Yes, it is being satisfied. What is the sum of all these numbers now? 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 8, that is 26. 26 plus 18, that is equal to 44. So 44 is the sum of 6 numbers. I need a total of 8 numbers. Average of 8 numbers should be 7. That means I need a sum of 56. Once again, there is a problem. I am not able to get that extra 12. I'm not able to get that extra 12. So that again is creating a problem for us. So even that is not becoming a possibility. So that means I have tried to get 8 numbers in all these cases, but I'm not getting them. What next? Let's try 7 numbers now. If there are 7 numbers, the sum of those 7 numbers should be equal to 49. And that seventh number can be taken as 5. So can I say, if I make a series like this, 5, 6, 6, 6, 8, 9, 9, my median would be 6. The sum is 49. That means my mean would be 7. My mode would be equal to 6. So with 7 numbers, I am able to make a series. I tried with 8 numbers, but it was not being possible with 8 numbers. So therefore, with 7 numbers, I can do it. So my answer for this question should be equal to 7. Yes, that's the right answer for question number 9. And then this question says, what is the minimum possible number of integers in series B? Just keep that in mind. Series B is a series which will be having at least one double digit number. Mean of the series is 10, median is 10, mode is 11. We want minimum possible number of integers. So I'm starting with 4. Can we have 4 integers? Let's try. If 4 integers are there, according to the mean, their sum should be 40. The median should be 10. So that means the average of these two numbers should be 10. And the mode is 11. And I cannot have 10 anywhere. Just keep that in mind, that a number cannot be equal to the mean. I need mode as 11. That means I need twice 11. So I need 11 twice. Let's take these two 11s. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 plus 11 is 31. In that case, I will have to write a 9 here. But then I will not have a single mode. It becomes a bimodal series. So therefore, with 4 terms, I am not able to make this possible. So 4 is gone. Let's try with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For 5 terms, if the mean is 10, the sum should be equal to 50. And he says the median would be the middle term. If median is the middle term, I will have to write 10 over here. But how can I write 10 over here? Because no term can be equal to the mean. So even this is not a possibility. This is also gone. Let's try with 6. And can I say by the same logic, 7 is not possible, because if 7 terms are there, the middle term would become the median and middle term would become 10, which will be equal to the mean. And once again, the same problem would be there. So 4, 5, 6 are gone. That straight away means my answer has to be 6 for this question. So yes, that was the answer for question number 10.